Yousuf from 5 Minutes Information Channel, and I welcome you all. And this is episode number 51. And in this episode, I will talk about the reference services, its function, and its types of reference services. Viewer guidance: you can get the notes of this video lecture URL link mentioned on the video description. In this video, I will talk about the three main points. Number one, what is reference services? Number two, what are the main function of the reference services? And number three, what are the types of reference services? Point number one, what is reference services? Reference service, sometimes referred as reference and information services or reader services, has been defined a personal assistance provide to user in pursuit of information. As distinguished from the other library activities or services, reference services characterized by high degree of personal interaction between the library staff and library user. Point number two, what are the main function of the reference services? American Library Association defines 6 main function of reference services. Number one, supervision function. Number two, information function. Number three, guidance function. Number four, instruction function. Number five, bibliographical function. Number six, appraisal function. I will discuss each function one by one. Number one, supervision function. This function consists of proper organization of facilities, selection of reference material, direction of personnel, and study of reference clientele. Number two, information function. The reference librarian should prepare to answer all the types of questions and should be able to produce source that would answer the question. Attempts have been made classify question in various ways. Reference librarian should be prepared give assistance to inquirer as much as he requires. Number three, guidance function. The reference librarian should be able to give guidance to the readers in the choice of books and other reading material and should be guide them in location of the document. Number four, instruction function. The instruction function, a reference librarian should be instruct the readers about how to work in the library, the use of catalog and reference work, location of material for the orientation program should be arranged to familiarize the readers with the library practices and procedure. Function number five, bibliographical function. The bibliographies in various subjects of the interest to the readers should be prepared by the reference staff so that readers are able to know the books and other reading material in a particular subject. The number six function is known as a appraisal function. The success of reference service largely depend upon two factors. Number one, position of right material, and number two, knowledge of how to get the most of it. Now, the point number three, what are the types of reference services? There are two main types of the reference services. Number one, ready reference services. Number two, long range reference services. Ready reference services. Most of the ready reference services are nature of the fact finding types that can be finished in a very short time or in a moment if possible. The librarian generally uses reference book for the providing such kind of services. The need of ready reference services arise from the fact of the complex nature of reference book, its artificiality and a range of information. The eminent person, foreign dignitaries or scholar generally approach for the such type of services. Sometimes regular library user can also ask such type of question. The time needed to arrange such type of information, which may be an hour to a week. The search in a long range reference services start the reference book and then goes to the ordinary books, pamphlet, reports, article, periodicals, journals, conference proceeding and etc. If the information is not available in the concerned library, then the search can go other local and sometime international library. Currently, bibliographical services, referral services, online literature searching, reading guides, translation services are considered as a long range reference services. Now I conclude the episode number 51. You get the notes of this video lecture from the URL link mentioned on the video description. In next episode, I will talk about the mode of reference services and reference sources. So stay tuned with the 5 minutes information channel. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching till the end.